everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian recipe, and it's going to be hash brown potato patties. And these are frozen patties, and I'm going to show you how you can make it oilless, oil-free hash brown patties in air fryer. And without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to open the air fryer and we're going to place frozen hash brown patties. So this is how they look. Put it inside. I'll plug it in. We're going to start. Keep the temperature at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And as for the time, 15 minutes, and we'll start it. The first 10 minutes, let it cook. Then flip it over. Then cook additional 5 minutes. So within 15 minutes, our hash brown patties will be ready. It's exactly 10 minutes. I'm going to open it. And this is how the hash brown patties, they look. And we're going to flip them over. The last one. So after flipping all these four, we're going to place it back into the air fryer. Push it. It will start at the same time where we left it off. So we're going to wait for another 5 minutes. We are almost done. We are waiting for the final beat. And I'm going to open it. Look at this. You can hear the crunch. I have a serving platter ready. Let me take these out. Look at that. They are nice and crunchy. Perfect. Let me share with you. The hash brown patties in the air fryer. This is oil-free, oilless, and very healthy cooking. Now you can serve with a sandwich, or you can eat as is as an appetizer. And these are so good, very crunchy. You can have a scrambled eggs along with it. This is a perfect breakfast. Or any time of the day. If you start making like this, you won't go to fast food or McDonald's, Burger King, and you will always going to enjoy the hash brown patties at your home, at your comfort. You don't have to make it in a pan. It takes more work. You don't have to use any oil. You just stick it into the air fryer for 15 minutes and you are done. So tasty. Please try it and you're going to like it. Serve with some sauce, dip it, and you enjoy it. So good. Very crunchy. I don't feel like putting it back. I really like it. They are so tasty, but I have to finish up the video. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.